I know the struggle of trying to burn belly fat all too well. I survived the frustration of not seeing results. I spent hours on routines that didn't work. And I saved myself from wasting more time by discovering what truly makes a difference. I built a targeted workout plan that transformed my body, and I got the flat belly I had always dreamed of. Here's the secret to my success. I replaced ineffective exercises with advanced moves that really fire up the core. My daily routine now includes high-intensity exercises like mountain climbers, hanging leg raises, and flutter kicks. Each one is designed to engage the core and torch those calories. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. It wasn't always smooth sailing. I faced challenges like muscle fatigue and moments when progress seemed to stall. But I stayed committed, tracking my progress and adjusting my routine as needed. The results: not only did my belly fat diminish, but my energy levels increased and my confidence soared. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Stay consistent with your workouts. Keep a progress journal and remember that each step forward is a win. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. You've got this. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.